This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data. Export mail to A, PSD, or confirm Cloud Sync. Once done, close Outlook and sign out so profiles aren't locked. Now open Settings, go to Apps and then Apps and Features, and find Microsoft Office or Outlook listed. This is the entry point for removal. Make sure to note your Office account credentials and product key if required. Starting here avoids orphaned files and keeps your profile intact for the reinstall step. You now remove Outlook. Choose Uninstall from Settings or Control Panel, and if repair appears, try it only if you want to avoid a full reinstall. Once uninstalled, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the official Office removal tool to scrub leftover components. After that, remove local profiles in Control Panel Mail and delete the Outlook folder in %localappdata %Microsoft \outlook if it still exists. Doing this prevents configuration conflicts when you reinstall and ensures a clean slate for profile creation. You finish by reinstalling Outlook from Office. Com or your organization's deployment portal, sign in with the same account so licensing and mailbox auto-configure. Once installed, open Outlook and allow it to create a new profile automatically, then import your PSD if you exported mail. Make sure new mail syncs and calendar items appear. If something goes wrong, clear saved credentials in Credential Manager, run Office repair, and verify network access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.